Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make a delicious spinach quiche with fresh spinach. First, gather your ingredients: fresh spinach, eggs, milk, cheese, and a ready-made pie crust. Begin by washing and sautéing your fresh spinach until it's perfectly wilted. Then, whisk together your eggs, milk, and your favorite seasonings to create that rich, creamy custard base. It's the foundation of a truly wonderful quiche. Now, let's get that filling just right. After sautéing, it's crucial to squeeze out any excess water from your spinach. This prevents a soggy quiche. Next, combine that beautifully wilted spinach with your chosen cheese. A sharp cheddar or Gruyere works wonderfully. Carefully pour this delightful mixture into your prepared pie crust, spreading it evenly. This ensures every bite is packed with flavor. Hey everyone, if you're finding this easy quiche guide helpful, please take a moment to subscribe and hit that like button. On another note, quick recommendation. If you're looking to truly change how you think about money, check out *The Simple Path to Wealth*. It's a fantastic book. You can find the link to it and other great deals in the description below. Now, let's get back to the video. It's time to bake your masterpiece. Preheat your oven to 375 degrees Fahrenheit. Place your quiche on a baking sheet and bake for approximately 35 to 45 minutes. You'll know it's done when the top is golden brown and a knife inserted near the center comes out clean. Don't rush this step. A perfectly baked quiche is worth the wait. Once your quiche is out of the oven, resist the urge to cut into it immediately. Let it cool for at least 10 minutes. This crucial cooling period allows the custard to set properly, ensuring beautiful, clean slices. You can serve your spinach quiche warm or even at room temperature. It's a versatile dish, perfect for breakfast, brunch, or a light dinner.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.